If I knew absolutely nothing else about taxes and I had a W-2 wage and did not own a business, here's what I would do to be as tax efficient as possible. So the very first thing is you got to understand there's a bigger picture to this than just taxes, right? There's an overall picture, and that is your overall financial health, your wealth, if that is what we're going to call it. So the first thing, you want to make sure you take care of all of your basic needs, your housing, your clothing, and your food. But any excess money that you have, you want to go ahead and start investing that money. The easiest way, in my opinion, to start investing is through an index fund. You can open up a taxable brokerage account. You can do that through Vanguard or Fidelity, and try to set up a weekly or monthly investment amount and try to automate it as much as possible. People really underestimate the power of automation, and since I started automating my finances, they have improved significantly. So that's probably the very first thing I would do, is I'd look to automate all of my bills and my investing at the same time. But then I would take it a step further and I would invest in diversifying investment accounts. So not only do I have a taxable brokerage where I can invest in index funds and mutual funds, but now I can put that money in an HSA. I can put that money in a 401k, maybe a Roth IRA. Diversify your investments. The reason why I personally put money into a taxable brokerage before retirement accounts is really just life experiences. I have been in a situation where I had money in a retirement account and life happened and I needed the money, but I was hit with these additional penalties and fees for taking the money out of my retirement account. But if I just had it in a taxable brokerage, maybe I would have paid a little bit of capital gains, but the capital gains, especially given my tax rate at the time, would have been either 0 or even 15% instead of an automatic 10% penalty and then adding whatever that income was to my marginal tax bracket at the time.